Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First innermost round brackets. First we solve, there is a 5. Multiply by 5. Now according to this 25 as a result. According to this first step, BODMAS requires solving the innermost bracket first. And now the current expression becomes square bracket curly brackets 2 to 5 divided by 25 curly bracket of multiply root 196 square bracket of minus 25% of 280. Now move to the next step. According to the next step, we solve curly braces. In curly braces, first we divide the values. And after we'll get 9 as a result. According to this step, move outward to the next set of brackets and now the current expression becomes 9 multiplied by root 196 square bracket of minus 25% of 280. Move to the next step. According to the next step, we solve square roots. So now order roots and parts are solved next and find the square root of root 196. We'll get 14 as our answer. So now the current expression becomes 9 multiplied by 14 minus 25% of 280. Move to the next step. According to the next step, we solve the square brackets. Now 9 multiplied by 14 will get 126 and according to this step complete the final remaining bracket group and now the current expression becomes 126 minus 25% of 280. Move to the next step. So now next step says of. We calculate the operation of operation percentage. Now there is a 25% multiplied by 280. Now calculated 25 upon 100 multiplied by 280. After calculating, we'll get 70 as a result. According to this step of operations proceed basic subtraction. And now the current expression becomes 126 minus 70. And finally we subtract the value. Subtraction is the last remaining operation. And after subtract the values, we'll get 56 as a final result. Now according to this expression, by systematically simplifying from inside out, according to the BODMAS sequence, the complex expression reduces down to 56 as a final result. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.